Hey guys, welcome back to another study video. Guys, in this video we will discuss that if you're facing this problem in your Google account, that account action required. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, you may just check guys when you try to log in or open your account, you may face this problem that account action required, tap to sign in. So how can you fix it? So guys, you may just simply click here on that account. So you may click here, and now guys you may just wait for some second. So here guys you may click here on next. So guys, here you may write password of your data account and then click here on next, and you will check you can easily sign in or log in, and you will check your problem will be fixed. So if you forget your password, you may click here on forget password, and here you may reset password of your Google account, then click here on next, and then you may put your data password and you can log in or sign in easily. So guys, if your problem is still not fixed by all these methods, then guys you may just remove your account from settings. Then guys you may go back and open your Google Play Store, then click here on your profile icon, and here you may click here on accounts, click here on add another account, and then guys you may put your face ID or your fingerprint or your password. Then you may write your email and then click here on next, and you may write your password, and then guys you can log in and sign in easily. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.